Hi everyone, this is Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a seamless looping video. This is actually really simple and really achievable with cheap or free to use tools. This is especially good for creating music videos. If you've got a piece of music that you've created, whether it's one of your own releases that you've made or whether you've generated a song with AI and you want to make a visual to match that so you can upload the video to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, wherever you want to put the video up. Basically, all we're going to be doing is generating an image, and then we're going to use that image as the first frame and the last frame in a 10-second video, and it's going to create a loop. We can then take that video, put it into a video editor, and just copy and paste it a bunch of times. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. In this instance, I have a piece of audio ready to go. It's just a lo-fi hip-hop song that I've generated in Suno. For the next step, you can use pretty much any AI image and video generator, but I like to use one called OpenArt AI because it's got all of the models in one place, and it also keeps a memory of everything you've done. It just makes it a lot easier for my workflow, and I'll leave a link to OpenArt AI if you want to try it. I am an affiliate with OpenArt AI, and they've given me a special link that will give you quite a big discount if you go on to use any of their paid services. First of all, to generate the image frame, I just select image here on the left-hand side. My favorite image generator currently is Nano Banana 2, so you can see that you've got access on OpenArt AI to all the different models of image generators. I've just given it a simple prompt here to generate this Studio Ghibli style image, which will be the image that we create the video from. From here, all we do is go over to video, and then I am using the video generator Kling 3.0. So you can see here, you tap here to select which video generator you want to use. And I like Kling 3.0 because it allows you to select a start frame and an end frame for your video. So I'm just going to click here to add the start frame, and I've got the image that I created right there. And I'm also going to use that image as the end frame as well. That's how we get the really easy, seamless loop. Now you do have to enter a prompt. So I've just told it basically the style of movement that I want. I said, the black cat is chewing on some food, the girl pats the gray cat, and the flowers are moving gently in the breeze. And then down the bottom here, I've selected no audio. Audio is off. That'll make it cheaper for you. It'll use less credits. And under the output, I've selected 1080p, so it's nice quality, and 10 seconds long is all you really need. You can even do it a little bit shorter, but 10 seconds works well for me. So let's have a look at what that's generated now. So you can see there, it's really beautifully animated that image for me. And then that will be a seamless loop that I can just copy and paste and create however long. I can make it for an hour, 3 hours long, a couple of minutes long, however long I want it. From here, all we do is use this download button to download the video, and then we're going to import this video as well as our audio file into a video editor. The video editor that I like to use is free to download, and it's called CapCut. I like CapCut, it's really easy to use, and it's available on Mac as well as PC. If you don't already have CapCut, I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment if you want to grab this download for free. Basically, I've imported the audio file and that 10-second video file. I'll drag them both onto the timeline. From here, it's really simple. We're just going to copy and paste. So right click, copy, and then move the timeline forward and paste. You can use Control, whatever your shortcut is, whether you're on Mac or PC. For me, it's Command C and Command V on a Mac. So you can see here now, select all of them and copy and paste them. And now we've got a nice seamless loop. I'll just make this a bit bigger, and I'll just play you, 20 seconds of it so you can see how it works out. already looped once. It's about to loop again. So you can see it gives the illusion that it's a continuous, video, even though it's only actually a 10-second clip that's been looped, probably about a dozen times here. But these are really, really great because if you're creating, let's say, a 2-hour-long compilation of a whole lot of music that you've made, if you had to edit 2 hours worth of video, that would take absolutely forever. But this way you can just copy and paste it until it's 2 hours long. It will take a while to export depending on your computer, but for me, it usually only takes, for a 2-hour video, it only takes about 20 minutes or half an hour to export that. So that's how you create a seamless looping video. And you can use this for many applications other than just music videos, but it works really well for creating music videos for social media. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, make sure you do leave a comment and I'll get back to you if you've got any questions about anything you've seen in this video. And make sure you do subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel while you're here. If you need links to anything, as I said before, that I've mentioned in this video, I'll leave them in the description and the pinned comment for you. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.